I had a call with the chief of staff and he said he'd send my information to HR.
Yep.
I'm moving to that next step, right? So I sent my magical email to recap the conversation and then sent in, after a week, I sent my next step email saying, as promised, seeing if it makes sense to connect personally with HR to discuss hiring. So that sparked the conversation where he then forwarded my email to HR, sending me, hey, Chelsea could be a great resource to connect with for hiring.
Okay.
And my question to you is, what is my next step here? Because it's very vague. Like, he made an introduction for them, like the ball is in their court technically for HR. Is it too soon for me to jump on that and just say, hey, what's the best time to set up a call directly? Or like, what's the next step there?
You have HR's contact information?
I only have an email.
Okay, I would shoot them an email and say, you and I are connected through the discussion I had with Bob Lewis or whatever it is. I was actually thinking about your team today because there is something going on that HR directors in Baton Rouge are having to deal with. Nobody's talking about. I just want to make sure you guys were aware of this. Can you give me a call on my mobile? Blah, blah, blah. So now it's like plausible emergency. So that's where I would go with that. Go right back to your insight, because if you keep continuing to go down this road of poking the bear with Bob, who said, you are right there if you're not already there, where he's going to go, listen, I sent your information over. If they're interested, they'll reach out to you. You don't want to put yourself in that position. So I would send them a very short email. Now, let me give you a power tip on this. Make the subject of the email your name, and then a pipe or the little vertical bar, and then your mobile number, okay? And then put the word mobile. And then in the body of the email, hey, per the discussion I had with Bob Lewis, was thinking about you guys today. There's something going on that I wanted to make sure you were aware of, something like that, right? Can you give me a call on my mobile? They're going to call you, right? Because they're going to be like, oh crap, is there some new regulation? And then don't be like, hey, yeah, I wanted to sell you something. Talk to them about things like, here's what I wanted to make sure you're aware of, and this was something I did bring up with Bob. In placements, it's not just getting that right candidate, and when that candidate leaves, it's not just the fact that now we, swung and missed on a candidate and have to pay the commission to the recruiter and that candidate's salary. It's the other detriment that candidate has to the organization in terms of basically just bringing down everybody's motivation, bringing down the culture of work. And in some cases, we have some veteran employees that end up quitting because they're tired of doing that person's job for them. How are you guys dealing with that as you bring new candidates in, making sure that not only they're going to stick personally, but that they're not affecting the organization in terms of overloading your A players, right? Or however you're going to do. What did I just do? I now gave you an insight, right? And based on everything I talked with my conversation with Bob and what I'm hearing from you guys now, you seem like an excellent candidate for me to send some people your way that are overqualified and vetted by me on my end. Does it make sense to work with you on the next few placements, right? So we're going to start the process over with them. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you like this video and you want to learn how to close, I want to give you my closing mini masterclass for free. Click the link somewhere around here or just simply comment with the word closer and I will get you access to the closing mini masterclass. I'll cover the $299 cost for you. It's free to you.